share and comment. Surely. Karibuni tena to another episode of Trevor and Swin, and we are back again with another banger. So, for the previous video, kuna mtu alicomment anataka niwafunze kupika pancake, and I wish is my command, and today I'm here with the video. So the ingredients of making a pancake are sugar, chapamandazi, baking powder, milk, flour of your choice, eggs, and oil. Milk, you can substitute milk with water. So, and flavor of your kind, vanilla or coconut, or those flavors, you can use any flavor. So, the first thing we do is breaking these eggs. After whisking the eggs, you add sugar depending on your quantity. And you can trust me, baby, we are everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, baby. Then after doing this, you add some oil. Mix it until you feel the mixture consistency is becoming thick. After adding your oil, as you can see, it has become thick. Then you add your milk. Depending on the amount you want, the amount of pancakes you want. Then you mix. You continue mixing, and then you add your flour. Bit by bit as you mix it.
We got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe.
So these lumps you're seeing, the flour should not have these lumps. So it is easier done with a whisk. So this is the consistency you should achieve, not too runny and not too thick. And as you can see, there is no lump. There are no lumps. The mixture is smooth. And then you add your baking powder. Kama imekawia sana, you add a little bit more, na kama haijakawia unaweka tu 1 tablespoon is enough.
Into my conditions, I got you on my mind. You are stuck in my head, and I don't know why. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you escape from 1,000 fires, I wanna kiss you.
So we are done. This is the consistency we have. So we go to the frying pan. So mafuta uweki mingi sana. Kama uko na ile brush ya kunini ya spread the mafuta, you can use that or do this. Bora tu iende like ikava hapo kwa pan mzima. Don't use too much because tulitumia tukikoroga. What you do, unaeka hiyo, unapima with whichever spoon you have, just like that. And hiyo ndio size ya American pancake, usiweke ile kubwa ya Afrika. So unaeka hivyo with low heat. So for you to know that it's time for you to flip the pancake, you have to wait until kuna bubbles zenye zina show up. So ikishow up nitawaonyesha. Kuna bubbles zinafaa zi show up hapo on this side. Zikishow up ina mean the pancake is ready to be flipped. So let's just wait and see. Zimeanza kuform kidogo on this side. So guys, ndio hizo bubbles nilikuwa nawaonyesha, ndio hizo. So this means the pancake is ready to be flipped, and then you flipped, and you can see the way our pancake is looking gorgeous, fantabulous. Mnaiona? That is an not African, American pancake. That is the size. Inafaa ikuwe around hivyo. Msisema wazungu wananyimana. That is the size of an American pancake. Yeah guys, so let me continue na hii mixture, and then nikimaliza I will show you all the pancakes that I've made and how they look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. If you're a newcomer to this channel, welcome to our family. Make sure you share to your friends, make sure you share to your family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment anything you want to see us do in the next video. And yeah, share guys, share. We are one big family here. You see, that is the process. You just put a 1 spoon and then the shape will form itself. You don't have to like do this with your spoon. You don't have to do like this around the pan. When you just pour, the mixture will just form itself. So let me continue with this, and then I'll show you the end product.
So my guys, this is the end product, man. It is browning. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Bye bye. Subscribe,
Like, share and comment. Pancakes, Trevor, swing behind the scenes. Bye.